Hello kiddos, we're going to be talking about the meter again, but we're going to concentrate on two items. VAC, VAC and VDC. Voltage alternating current, voltage direct current. We're going to talk about those two selections on the selector knob. We're also going to talk about the NCV, which is non-contact voltage, for this week. We're going to concentrate on those things this week. Also, down here at the bottom, if you'll notice, you'll see common and then the plus, all right? And I want you to notice the voltage rating, and you need to be very aware of that. The maximum voltage is 600 volts. So if you go any higher than 600 volts, you have to use a different type of meter. Also, you have to have a different type of protective equipment, because when you deal with very high voltage, the voltage can jump air. Air is a very good insulator, but it will not protect you from very high voltage. It'll be like a lightning strike. All right? So again, on the meter, we're concentrating on VAC, VDC. I want you to tell me what those two mean and their definition, and I want you to tell me what NCV means. The definition of NCV, non-contact voltage. All right, and also up here on the light, you'll see where it says NCV and high V, which says high voltage. Why are these two lights important for you? All right. So that's what your assignment is. I put the term sheet on Google Doc, and I put this picture of this meter on Google Draw. Be sure to label those two and identify down here and identify NCV and these two lights over here on the left hand side. Hopefully you understand. If you got any questions, remember, I'm on Zoom between 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Bye.